How to become a millionaire. Make your money work for you by focusing on getting the maximum rate of return on all of your dollars. Every dollar that you have needs to be working for you, earning interest while you work and sleep. This includes your savings and checking accounts. Too many people are comfortable storing their hard-earned cash in commercial bank accounts, earning little to nothing on their money. Those savings accounts are robbing you of potential interest income. The millionaire mindset seeks to earn the highest rates of returns on every dollar. All of your savings under $1,000 should be in a high-interest savings account, which pays even greater interest. You can find high-interest accounts at online banks. High-interest money market accounts can be found at banks like CIT Bank, Capital One Bank, American Express Savings Bank, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Synchrony Bank, and Ally Bank. All of these banks are FDIC insured, meaning there is no risk of losing your money. You could currently be earning over 2% on your savings account right now. That is much better than the paltry interest rates that commercial banks are paying out. You can earn 100 to 200 times interest income with an online savings account. This will help to get you one step closer to millionaire status. Find out more at multiplymymoney.com.